Vandeguram students, today we are going to learn in MS Word new thing, that is insert tabular column. So first you click insert. You can see here shapes we have done, even we have done word art. Next you have to go to this table. So click on table. Today you will try with only this two. Okay, so like this you can try. Go to this last second column, so that you will be getting this. How to align this? See, even you can see here when you click on this table, if you want to be very colorful table, see, when you select you can see this changing. So whichever also you can select it. See, now this is only single table, so I don't want single. So first let's practice with normal one. So plain. Here I am going to give title. So since we are learning shapes, so here you will type 2D shapes. And in this tabular column, so whenever you want to type inside, you have to click. Then only you can type. Then 3D shapes. So now below this you have to type one by one. So how to change a size also the same thing. You have to select the font and change. Suppose you want to make this tabular column big, means enter key. Then again click here, enter key. So again click here, enter key. Like this you can do it. Now I have typed something, but how to change into proper way? See, when you have to select this after typing 2D shapes, 3D shapes. So font is same, you already know this. So color also you can, if you want you can change. Even heading alone one color. But you see the rectangle is here, right? So if you want to bring it to center, see, this is left, this is center, this is right. So whichever direction also you can see this. So this one also you have to try it, but you have to select, then only you can try left, center. So let it be in center. I want to increase the font, so you can increase. So first today let's try with only 2 columns. Okay, then slowly we will learn 3 column, 4 column and many columns you can learn. So type like this, then you can click. You have to type all the 2D shapes here, all the 3D shapes here. Not only that, suppose if you don't want to type this, even in science, living things, non-living things, or vegetables, fruits, like that, whatever you wish, you have to. Then you have to compulsory save it. Save as. Based on this only I will be evaluating your ICT. Then when I ask you how to send all the files. So try and send the picture to me, even upload in MS Teams.